The school day is over, and it's time to go home.
But one student is still inside.
That's me! I'm waiting for my dad to pick me up.
All the other children have gone home. I look at the sky, waiting patiently. The 3D Ghibli style captures the golden hues of the sunset perfectly.
It's getting late. Where is Dad?
I call him, but he doesn't pick up. I feel worried now. Where is he?
Are you okay?
I think my dad forgot me.
Don't worry. Let's call your dad. She tries calling my dad's phone.
It rings for a long time. No answer.
I feel like I'm all alone. Please wait inside.
She leads me into the school office.
I hope my dad will come soon.
She offers me some tea to help me relax.
It's nice. I feel a little better.
Someone is coming. Maybe it's Dad.
But it's not Dad. It's the janitor.
Hello there. Hello. I say hello and a smart worry, honored and just dibble worry.
She keeps trying to reach him.
Another hour has passed, but no sign of Dad.
It's okay. Let's be patient.
Maybe I'll see Dad's car soon.
I hear a car outside. Could it be him?
But it's not Dad's car.
She sees a message from my dad.
My dad says, "I'm so sorry. I forgot. I'll be there soon."
I feel a little better now. He's coming, finally!
Don't worry. He's on his way.
I smile and feel a little safer.
Why don't you color while you wait?
I focus on the picture. It helps me feel calm.
Is it Dad this time? It's my dad! Dad is finally here!
He says, "I'm so sorry I forgot you."
Big hug!
Let's go home.
I feel happy to be with Dad again.
Me too, kiddo.
The inside of the car feels cozy.
We drive home.
My lessons were fun today, especially art.
Really? What did you make?
And I played with friends.
Sounds nice.
I won't forget again, I promise.
Home at last.
I feel comfortable at home.
Welcome home.
It's time to eat.
We talk about the day.
Yeah, I have so much to tell you.
We laugh about the mix-up.
It's funny now.
I focus on my work.
Let's work together on this.
Okay, Dad, I'm stuck on this one.
All right, 3 + 5 = 8. You had the right idea.
I feel proud of my work.
It's time to relax.
It makes me laugh.
Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a brave little fox.
The fox loved to explore and make new friends. I feel sleepy.
It's time to sleep.
Good night, Dad.
I close my eyes and drift off to sleep.
I feel safe and loved.
It's a new day. He makes my favorite breakfast.
What are your plans for today?
I'm thinking of baking. Want to join?
Yes, let's make something amazing.
I'm ready for another school day.
We leave the house. We head to the car. The house's exterior looks lovely.
We talk in the car,
The drive is smooth.
with the outside world moving
In
beautifully.
3D Ghibli style.
Have a good day, Dad.
You too, kiddo.
It's time for another day of learning.
I found you! Yay, we were waiting for you! I'm so happy to see you. Me too.
It's time to learn.
I'm ready, teacher.
Wonderful. Let's begin our lesson. I know today will be better.
Learning is fun.
Another school day is over. The final bell rings with a magical 3D Ghibli day.